Hey guys, John here with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to be working with just a set of brake shoes here for a Honda CB350, and we're just going to show you random things that you come across when you're building bikes, and just how quick and easy you can clean those parts up. Something we're not going to take a lot of time on here. We just want to kind of get some of the muck and grime off and really focus here in the spline area, clean up the shaft and the splines so that everything goes together nicely. And we're obviously not going to focus here on the brake shoe itself. Just going to clean up a little bit of the area, save us a lot of time when we're building bikes like this. And again, you come across just random items, not visible, aesthetical pieces, but stuff that just needs to be cleaned up quickly. So you can imagine what kind of a time saver this will be. So we're going to use ceramic bead, and we're going to clean this part up. So stay tuned. Alright, so back after vapor honing here, and just look at what a difference we did to this this brake here, this set of shoes. This is incredible, guys. I mean, just a good quick clean. Again, we didn't damage any of the shoe itself. We didn't even touch this. We just wanted to blast all of the area around it, all the springs, of course the shaft that we talked about earlier, so that we can inspect this and of course make sure that we get really good assembly when we put this part back together. Again, something that's quick and easy, even as simple as a part like this, something you don't normally think about when you think about vapor honing parts, but again, it sure does help save a ton of time and of course a lot of money in the end. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email, and we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Take care.